Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the set question, that is 4 power x minus 0.25 square is equals to 1. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So we know the exponent identity that a power 0 is 1, whether it's 1 power 0, 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 1000 power 0. So similarly 4 power 0 is also 1. So I am going to replace the right hand side 1 with 4 power 0. Now we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x minus 0.25 square is equals to 0. So x minus 0.25 is also equals to 0. So the value of x is 0.25, which is option number C. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.